Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. It is another delicious yummy recipe. If you want to see how I made this crispy fried chicken feet, please stay tuned. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today we are going to be making crispy chicken feet. So I am going to be using white onions to season the chicken feet. I'm going to be using thyme, smoked paprika, hot chili, maggi and salt. So we are going to season our chicken feet. I'm going to add just a chunky onions. I'm going to add the chunky onions. I'm going to add 1 scoop of dry thyme, 1 scoop of smoked paprika. I'm going to add half scoop of hot chili. I'm going to add 1 scoop of salt. I'm going to add 1 maggi. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Half cup of water. Now I'm going to cover and I'm going to put it on the stove and allow it to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. And also for this recipe we're going to be using 2 eggs and we are also going to be using plain flour. Now for the 2 eggs I'm going to break it inside here. I'm going to add half of the maggi. I'll add a little bit of the smoked paprika. I'll also add a little bit of the hot chili, a little bit of salt. I'm going to mix it up. Also in our flour we're going to add a little bit of hot chili, a little bit of the smoked paprika, a little bit of salt, and the other half of the maggi. We're going to mix everything together. So guys, after allowing that to boil for 15 minutes, I am going to take it off from the stove. So guys, we have taken our chicken feet off from the stove. I am going to take it out from the pot. So guys, after taking the chicken feet out from the pot, I am going to now start dipping it inside the egg and also then dip it inside the flours. So basically just take it with your hand, toss it around in the egg, let it get the egg very well, and then toss it inside the flour. Okay, that is all we're doing. So guys, we are done preparing our chicken feet and our oil is hot. We are going to now start adding the chicken feet inside the hot oil. So guys, this is where today's lovely recipe is going to end. This is just a Nigerian stew. You guys know I have so many Nigerian stew in this channel. So this is just Nigerian stew. You can have it with any sauce. You can have with ketchup, whatever, sweet, hot chili, whatever sauce you choose to have it with. It goes very well with all the other sauces. So it is done and ready, guys. It smells so wonderful and so yummy and so delicious. The kids cannot wait to dive in. This is one of their favorite snack. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. This is where today's recipe is going to end. Thank you, and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.